Stamina is an underrated fitness component that deserves more recognition. It is, after all, the underlying factor behind improving other fitness goals. And to boost your stamina, you must challenge yourself. The principle of progressive overload plays a major role in developing your stamina. The main takeaway of this principle is that you won't boost in any capacity if you keep doing the same workouts at the same intensity over and over again. So what do you do then to amplify your stamina? There are a lot of ways actually, say cycling, meditating, or going for long walks to name a few. Continue watching this video until the end to learn more. Before we continue, a like would be great. What is stamina? Stamina refers to the amount of time you can perform at your maximum capacity before becoming exhausted. The better your stamina, the more efficient you become at just about everything, both physically and mentally. Here's what to do to double your stamina. Number 1, go for long walks. An easy way to enhance your stamina is to move your body for long periods. Consider walking for 30 to 60 minutes, especially for newbies. This is a brilliant way of building your stamina as well as endurance. In fact, advanced exercises can still experience the stamina-boosting effects of long-distance walking so long as they increase their speed and intensity. Number 2, add running intervals. If you think walking isn't enough to improve your stamina, then consider adding a few running intervals throughout your walk. Interval training is among the best methods for enhancing overall fitness, specifically when it comes to time efficiency. So next time you go for a walk, toss in a 30-second sprint every 3 to 4 minutes. Number 3, run hills and stairs. Don't want to increase your running distance? No problem. You can just tweak the way you run instead. If your place is nearby hills or hiking trails, then add hill runs to your routine and you'll see a significant difference in your stamina. No access to hills or hiking trails? The stairs and bleachers are great too. When you run in an uphill manner, it forces your lungs and legs to work hard. Number 4, try high-volume weightlifting. According to studies, the most important factor in resistance training that enhances fitness is volume. Volume is the total load you lift in one session, a day, or a week. The figure is derived by multiplying the weight by reps. Generally speaking, a continuous increase in volume benefits any individual's fitness performance. For instance, if you're doing 3 sets of 10 squats at 100 pounds, then your total volume is 3 times 10 times 100, which equals 3,000 pounds. Number 5, decrease rest intervals during workouts. One effective way to double your stamina is to let yourself have less rest time. Unless that is, you're lifting very heavy loads, in which case you should be resting for 3 to 5 minutes between sets for optimal strength gains. According to studies, reducing rest intervals while doing moderate to high-intensity exercise improves physical performance and body composition. Shortening your rest interval compels you to do more work in less time, which should result in a stamina boost. Number 6, consider cycling. Whether you prefer road biking, indoor cycling, or mountain biking, either way, it's a great way to improve your stamina if you just increase the pace. In particular, indoor cycling is proven to enhance aerobic capacity, which is a major contributor to stamina as well as other health markers. Meanwhile, mountain cycling may be more effective at building muscular endurance and power due to the increased and variable resistance. Lastly, outdoor cycling can improve not just cardiovascular stamina, but also fitness levels and reduce the risks of cardiovascular disease. Number 7, have dance parties. Dancing is a fun and highly effective way of working out your lungs and muscles. In some cases, it requires you to try new positions and challenge your range of motion, thus improving your overall fitness. Furthermore, multiple scientific studies have shown that dancing drastically impacts health and fitness, from improved cardiovascular endurance to better mobility and balance. As an exercise, dance may also increase adherence for some people due to lower cost and transportation barriers. Number 8, add a dash of plyometric. Plyometrics is like the cheetah of exercise because of their explosive nature that forces you to put on the maximum force in a short period of time. Based on a study on female soccer players, it was found that a 6-week plyometric training program has improved their performance in jumping, sprinting, change of direction, and endurance. Additionally, plyometrics can help you build muscle and burn fat. Some great examples of plyometric exercises are squat thruster, plyo push-up, box drill, and frog squat jump. Is plyometrics not your cup of tea? Don't worry, there are many other exercises you can try too. Like number 9, exercise. When doubling your stamina, there are a host of exercises that you can do. Plus, since improving your stamina is practically about achieving progressive overload, which is all about difficulty, then nearly any exercise is good for training your stamina, including cardiovascular exercises. High-intensity cardio exercises are incredible for your stamina. Through this form of exercise, you can monitor your heart rate or speed and how long you can perform at a particular rate. The most common approach for cardio-based stamina training is high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. HIIT involves alternating between short periods of intense workout and short periods of rest. Cardio workouts that train stamina are sprinting, jogging, street cycling, and mountain biking. Weightlifting. Weightlifting is a type of strength training that aims to increase resistance and build muscle through the use of weights like dumbbells, barbells, and kettlebells. This form of exercise is a great way to train your stamina because it allows you to increase the load and perform more reps with each motion. Popular weightlifting exercises include weighted squats, weighted lunges, and bench presses. Number 10. Play sports. Many sports require complex skill sets that are more often than not outside a person's comfort zone. If your body is already used to weightlifting, running, or other relatively monotonous movements, consider switching one workout weekly with a sports game. Destructuring your fitness routine could, if counterintuitively, improve your stamina and fitness. Plus, it also helps you work on other physical skills. For example, when playing soccer, you'd also be doing several movements like sprinting, jogging, walking, cutting, kicking, dodging, and even throwing, depending on your position. All those different movements in just one sports game make way for a fun and challenging stamina booster. Number 11. Listen to music. A good song can pump up your workout, yes or no? Definitely yes. In fact, evidence shows that music can indeed alter a person's mood. It may even help improve cardiovascular efficiency. According to a small study that involved participants who listened to their preferred music during exercise, the said participants experienced a lower heart rate than those that did not. More research is still necessary to further solidify these findings. That said, the implication is clear. If a person listens to music that they enjoy during a workout, their stamina may improve. Number 12. Drink coffee pre-workout. Coffee is a known energy booster. It's all because of the caffeine, which makes the body and mind feel alert and may increase a person's productivity. Moreover, coffee contains antioxidants called polyphenols that may reduce oxidative stress and help the body function optimally. However, keep in mind that coffee is a stimulant, thus should be consumed moderately. Too much of it may cause energy loss as the body withdraws from the caffeine. Number 13. Try meditation. Stamina isn't just purely physical, but it also includes mental pursuits. This is why adding mindfulness practices like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to your overall wellness routine can improve your mental stamina. Any of these mindfulness practices will challenge you to overcome perceived boredom and handle stress, two factors that can affect how long you can exercise at a near maximum level. Based on a study, practicing 6 weeks of yoga and meditation can enhance mental stamina, as in less stress and improved patience and well-being. Number 14. Rest and recover. Finally, you must always have recovery days scheduled into your workout routine. Contrary to popular belief, exercising in itself isn't what boosts your fitness. Rather, it's the repair and rebuild phase that does the work, aka during your rest days. It's why having enough rest is critical to your improvement over time. If you work out intensely every day, your body never gets the chance to recover. In the end, it won't be able to repair those damaged muscle fibers. Stamina is among the many components of fitness. On that note, click here to learn the fitness tips that will change your life for the better.